create a while loop for the iterating nodes. In this loop, we write condition temp is not equal to null. So while temp is not equal to null, then the loop runs. We have to create a new pointer which is next node and assign it as the times next. After that, the times next is equals to previous. So we have to store the previous address of the node in the previous pointer. So the times next equals to previous, and then previous equals to 10. So this what this code is do, the it stores the previous pointer of the node in the previous pointer. We don't forget the address of previous and we store it. After that, we write time equals to next node. After that, we return previous. So basically, this code is do it change the points from 1 to 2 and 2 to 3, like that. It points like reverse. So 1 points to 2, but we store the previous. So 1 is stored in previous pointer, and then the 2 points to the previous. So the 2 points to the 1. Like that, we iterating and creating the reverse linkage. Now let's run this code. So that's it. Thank you.